Are you looking for the best sander for decks in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best sander for decks that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Makita 94034X24 belt sander. Makita 9403 is simply the best sander on the market for sanding any wooden deck. It is fast, quiet, easy to control, and weighs 13 pounds, really heavy. The sander is designed with a 4 inches wide belt that works at a maximum speed of 1,640 orbits per minute. This, coupled with a wide grip, makes sanding tasks easy and fun too. Weighing 13 pounds, this sander for deck is by all means really heavy, right? But hold on, the weight need not be a red flag or dissuade you from purchasing it. On the brighter side, it makes the sander firmer and controllable because you do not need to use a lot of pressure. The heavy design works well with the powerful 11-amp motor to help you sand the entire deck fast. Another top feature of this sander is the conveniently located power cord. Joining the sander at the top, the cord is perfectly positioned away from your hands so that you can concentrate on the sanding task at hand. The sander further comes with a large dust bag carefully constructed to rotate at 360 degrees so that it will block your view. The design further helps to seal and protect the motor from dust and other contaminants. Up next in the 4th place is the Bosch OS50VC electric sander. If you are looking for a heavy-duty sander for deck, the Bosch OS50VC will be a perfect pick. The sander is powered by a powerful 3.4 amp that generates 8,000 to 11,000 OPMs. With all this power, simply turn on the sander and smoothing the entire deck will be easy and fast. The sturdy design and durability of this sander did not surprise us at all because Bosch has made a name for quality. The sander has a rugged construction of die-cast aluminum that serves 2 purposes, enhancing its durability and reducing vibration. In addition to its powerful motor, the sander is notably versatile with its flush sanding ability that works close to vertical surfaces on 3 sides. Further, it features multiple ergonomic soft grip locations that help you make changes easily to prevent fatigue. This is very crucial, especially when you have a tough or extensive deck to work on. The 3rd product on our list is the SKIL 7510-01 120V 3-inch x 18-inch belt sander. The SKIL 7510-01 is a powerful, versatile, stylish, and amazingly low-priced sander. We found the price incredibly affordable considering its features qualify it for a higher price tag. One of the most outstanding things about this sander is its pressure control technology. Unlike other sanders that allow users to guess the pressure to apply, SKIL 7510-01 has a warning system. When you apply a lot of pressure, it warns you to relax a bit, no need to waste your energy. Another selling point of this sander is its auto-track belt alignment system designed to keep the machine belt center. This implies that you can work with the sander without worrying it will slide to one end, which reduces overall efficiency. We like the design because it also keeps the downtime as low as possible. Second on our list is the DeWalt DW6423K random orbit sander. If you are searching for a weekend, holiday, or one-time sander for deck, the DeWalt DW6423K random orbit sander will be a great pick. It is designed with a 3-amp motor, which we found powerful enough for most DIY sanding tasks. One of the key selling points of this sander is its ability to deliver smooth and precise surfaces fast. Its shorter height is particularly a plus because you are able to get close to the workpiece for better results. We also like the unique sander's dust collection system. Its dust bag was designed after reviewing other models in the market, and it is awesome. Using just one hand, you can easily snap the dust bag into position after emptying to avoid wasting time. For years that DeWalt has been in the market, its goal of improving its tools is manifested through creativity. In this sander, we noted the improved dust-sealed switch that helps to prevent dust ingestion. This is a perfect way to make the sander last longer. Finally, the top product on our list is the Bosch Power Tools 1250 DEVS electric orbital sander. Are you looking for a multi-purpose sander for deck that you can use for both professional tasks and DIY home sanding? This Bosch 1250 DEVS is the perfect answer because of its sturdy design that makes it firm, effective, and long-lasting. Well, it has almost every quality that you would wish for in a sander. The sander for deck is powered by a powerful 6.5 amp motor that creates 3,100 to 6,650 OPM, which is ample to tackle any type of sanding. Further, the sander uses a constant response mechanism that helps to maintain constant pad speed even when working on heavy loads. Like most Bosch power products, this sander is made to last. Its rugged die-cast aluminum housing not only makes it sturdy but also long-lasting. Also, it helps to keep vibrations at bay so that sanding feels smooth. Another feature that makes this sander a perfect option for multiple tasks is its dual mode design. The sander has a mode selector on the back that allows you to change between random orbit mode and turbo design. If you have a lot of work or need to work fast, hit the aggressive turbo mode, and the incredible Bosch 1250 devs will finish it in no time. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.